Question number 9. Energy is supplied at a constant rate to a fixed mass of a substance. The graph shows the variation in temperature of the substance with time. Okay, T versus T is given here. And what has been asked? Which statement about this substance is correct? See, whenever we have temperature versus time over here, see which relationship? It's thermal energy problem, right? So therefore, we know that E is equal to mc delta T is what we have. And when we say energy is supplied at a constant rate, what do you mean by that? E by T, which is power, is a constant, which should be mc into delta T divided by delta T, right? If I put delta T here. Now what is this? See, m is constant, c is constant for a given substance, and delta T by delta T will give you the slope here. Okay. So therefore, now if I look at carefully here, this could be gas, this could be liquid to gas, this could be liquid, this could be solid to liquid, and this could be solid. Okay. So therefore, now you see the solid to liquid, the phase transition here is smaller. That is, your latent heat here is smaller. Latent heat here is smaller. Let me call L1. This is latent heat. L2 is bit larger over here. Okay, because there what we have here, E is equal to m times L. Okay, when you say m times L, see, E is constant over here. So as a result of it does not depend on temperature. So this L1, what is L1 here? L solid is lesser than L which is this L liquid over here. L liquid over here. Okay, let us see here. That is solid to liquid. L solid to liquid is less than L liquid to gas over here. Do we have any options like this? First, let us look at this. Okay, so specific heat, latent heat of vaporization. This is your vaporization is greater than the specific heat, latent heat of fusion. First one itself is the right one. A is the right one. Okay, so this definitely is incorrect. And if I look at this, if you want to check this also, you can look for the slopes here. Okay, because when we talk about this one, there is a change in temperature. You can look at the slopes, but anyway, only one option is correct, so I can say A is the right answer.